Hi class, welcome to chemistry. So this video is providing you information on how to set up your lab notebook. Sorry, that was my cat's tail. All right, so first thing you need is a lab notebook, just like this one, right? So three things go on top of that. So first of all, chemistry, period, and then your name. If you have a lot of stuff going on in the fronts, like there's a lot of pictures and things like that, you can write those three items on the inside cover as well. After you set up your cover, you're going to create a table of contents page. So you're going to make 3 of these pages minimum. So I'm suggesting about 3 to 4. So on the very top, it's going to say table of contents, then title and section for page number. This page number refers to the page numbers on your notebook. And then as you write notes for each lesson, it's going to be included down here as you go on. Right? The reason being is that if you do it this way with the table of contents page, you don't have to scrounge and search through each page for your notes. You have it in order, you can turn directly to whatever page it's on. Right? So again, 3 pages of table of contents. So that's 1. This is my second one. And this is my third one. If you want to do it back to back, just to save paper, that's totally fine as well. So after your table of contents, you're going to start with lesson number 1. And notice that on the top corner, I have the page number listed. So this way I know that lesson 1 is on page 1. And for each reading that I have you do, they're all sectioned off by lessons. So I'm going to bring out the textbook just to show you what that looks like. So on your textbook, it says lesson 1, tools of the trade. That's the title that you're going to write down. And if I continue flipping through lesson 1, there's also a digital version of this. At the end of each lesson, there are reading questions and reason and apply questions. I almost always will have you do the reading questions. So at the end of your notes, you have to answer them. And then after that, these only do them if I tell you to, and I'll tell you which numbers to for each assigned reading. Right? So all the answers to these questions are going to go at the bottom of your notes. So if I look back at my notebook, so if you imagine, here's the title, here are your notes that you've listed, reading questions at the bottom of your notes, then reason and apply questions. Right? So each time you do this, so let's say lesson 1 takes up page 1 and page 2, on your table of contents page, you're going to note that lesson 1, you did the notes for that, and that's on page 1 to 2 of your notebook. That way you don't have to search around like crazy for your notes, and you're all set.